Alright, so this video is everything you need to know about the word count tool in Google Docs. There's two ways to access it. The first way is just clicking on tools and going to the second one where it says word count. You can also use the shortcut Control-Shift-C and it brings up the word count. It tells you how many pages there are, how many words there are, how many characters there are, like letters and numbers and spaces, and then how many characters are without the spaces. And if you want the word count to be in the bottom right corner of your screen while you are typing, so you can see the words, like how many words you have as you add to them, you just select this little box, display word count while typing, select OK, and now you can click on it to see all the info, and it'll tell you the words. You can select whichever one you want to keep up to date with. So now if I start adding things, you can see it goes up and tells you how many words you have at that exact moment.